less than an hour ago that the President Duterte, has withdrawn the Philippines from the ICC. This is, of course, in response to the way the ICC has taken a partisan position. Instead of actually trying to investigate and find out what are the facts around the drug war of President Duterte, they have already made a judgment and are coming to fish for, I suppose, things that they can show to prove that these are extrajudicial killings. And so it's not exactly a surprise, or it's not exactly something that was not expected. And in fairness to the President, it's not, he has been saying that if you continue to behave in this unfair, non-objective, and partisan manner, I will withdraw the Philippines from the ICC. And they had continued, and now he has done exactly that. Kudos to him for standing up for the Philippines, because hindi naman siguro tama, ginaganyan na lang tayo, tinatrato tayo ng mga dayuhan na akala mo naman hindi tayo marunong dito, hindi tayo nakakaintindi, tayong inuutusan kung ano-ano pinagsasabi tungkol sa atin. Hindi na siguro talagang tama yan. Di tama yan, di gagawin nila yung gusto nilang gawin, pero huwag nila sasabihin na kasama tayo, hindi tayo papayag na ay ganun ang trato sa atin, at saka minamata tayo nitong mga puti. It is hard enough to explain to some of these former imperialists that we are a sovereign nation. We are no longer a colony of any one of them. And that we are a mature, sovereign nation with our own ways of doing things, and it is not for them to judge us, because we do not judge them.